Are you ready to turn your creativity into a profitable business? Meet the FK10 Jewelry Jade Wax CNC Engraving Machine, a compact powerhouse designed for jewelers, mold makers, and precision engravers. With an 800-watt spindle pushing up to 24,000 RPM and 0.01 mm accuracy, this machine carves intricate designs into wax, silver, PCB boards, and more, with professional-grade precision. The offline control system makes it easy to use without a PC, and with job rates ranging from $30 to $100, you can earn up to $10,000 per month with consistent client orders. Whether you're starting a side hustle or expanding your workshop, the FK10 is your gateway to real profits and creative freedom. Hit the link in the description and start building your engraving empire today.